Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the wait is over. The most futuristic premium flagship lineup, the new Galaxy S26 series, has already been published in all its glory. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship line, here's everything you need to know about. According to the latest available information and data, the entire Galaxy S26 lineup has revealed its design language, upgrades, changes, specs, and launch details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's upcoming lineup of non-foldable flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S26 series, is expected to offer three devices: Galaxy S26 Pro, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Leaked renders of these phones already shed light on their design, and the leaked case images gave us an even closer look at them. Now, we have more leaked images of cases for the three phones, giving us another look at the trio. The new Samsung Galaxy S26 Pro, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra have been shown in new renders, with cases that support magnetic wireless charging. The devices will support QE2 charging. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is gradually taking shape and leaks are proliferating. Samiguru has published a slew of images of the upcoming Samsung flagships in cases, supporting wireless magnetic charging. The new images allow you to compare the designs of all three models in the series. A total of 19 images of cases for the Galaxy S26 series from various brands have leaked online, courtesy of Keep Up with One UI and Samiguru. Leaks have already confirmed that the new Samsung flagships will feature noticeably protruding camera modules. The Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Ultra each feature three modules in their protruding module, while the Galaxy S26 Edge features a large rectangular module, similar to the iPhone 17 Pro. While the Galaxy S26 Pro has three cameras, the Galaxy S26 Edge has two cameras, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra has four cameras. These images also show that the phones have rounded corners and flat sides just like their predecessors. Lastly, the photos show that they will support QE2 with these cases. Recently, we learned that Samsung may use the in-house developed Exynos 2600, and Qualcomm's recently announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chips for these devices, depending on the region. Other details about these phones, including their display, camera, and battery specifications, are also out. The official launch of the Galaxy S26 series is expected in early 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.